What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Finally, we got the parts in for the Duramax right here. Oh, probably should cover that up. You don't want to see my address. I don't want you to see my address. Anyway, I bought a Dorman part. It's the vane position sensor, and let's open it up with the Nasty Nate knife. It's a box in a box. Check it out. My favorite. Oh, it looks like they even send you some more heat tape or whatever that's called. Looks like a wiring harness extension or something. That's kind of weird. Whatever, cool. Maybe it goes to like 2 different trucks or something. Here it is. So far, it looks like the correct part. And this is what we're actually looking for to be working. That has to work. Hopefully doing that right now doesn't break the thing. Sweet. Let's get this thing on and see if the truck can actually run how it's supposed to. Alright, so I think it's Merchant Automotive. They sell a tool for the vane position sensor, but you can literally use a giant adjustable wrench. It's just literally right there on top of the turbo. You kind of have to use it at an angle, like this way. But it is pretty easy to pop off. It's not very tight. So let's pull that thing off. We'll chase the wire down here, and it is this connection right here. And all we do, disconnect, put the new one on. Let's see if it fixes the issue. Cross your fingers. Yo, I was installing this thing, and I wanted to show you guys how to figure out that you have a quality part. So on this thing, oop, see right in the bottom there, it says made in China. That's how you know you get a quality part at a very valuable price. So make sure you get yourself one of those. All right, just got this thing installed on the whip, and I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna see, one, if it starts up. I'm sure it's gonna start up because it's a Duramax, but if it runs with no check engine light, no limp mode, none of that, hopefully I don't have to clear the codes. We'll just see what happens, and if not, I'll get my edge monitor or my AutoCal and I'll clear the codes, but let's see what happens. Okay, definitely still a check engine light. Let's see if I change my code, or my tune, if it does anything. Nope, doesn't do anything. It should go from hiss idle to rumble. Maybe I need to clear the codes, see what happens. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna guess the vanes are stuck. Which, if that's the case, I'm putting the turbo in this thing, because I'm not taking this thing out and putting it back in. Hell no. So stay tuned, let's clear codes. Alright guys, I actually did this the other day. I used my buddy Jesse's snap-on scanner. Shout out to him for letting me use it. I cleared all the codes. It was dark out, so I didn't film it at the time, but I cleared all the codes with this scanner, and this thing is actually crazy. It like turns on when you plug it into the truck, and it's like a freaking computer. Like, I don't know, it shows all kinds of different stuff, way more than you can see with like an edge tuner or something like that. So you can definitely still use an edge tuner or an edge monitor to clear your codes on your truck, but he had this thing sitting around. I wanted to see if there's any other weird things going on, codes or whatever. So I used this to scan the truck, and nothing was different, nothing was new. So I cleared all the codes and then started the truck, and it's been completely fine for the past couple of days. So it was in fact the turbo vane position sensor, and now this thing's good to go. So I'm gonna give you a little startup video, probably wash the truck, and start the day. I don't know what we're doing today, but if it's anything cool, I'll make sure to film it. And stay tuned to Nasty Nate for more of the Duramax. It's coming down to the wire here for winter. Got a few things planned for this thing. Stay tuned to Nasty Nate. We'll see you in the next one.